Assalamu alaikum barliq Uyg'ur qarindoshlar. Lagerlarga solinib, inson qalbidan chiqqan zulm ostida o'ziga o'zi o'lim tilab, o'lishni orzu qilayotgan shu ocha akalarimiz, ini singillarimiz, yashagan ota-onalarimiz, yetimxonlarga ilib ketilgan bizning sabiy bolalarimiz uchun 11 ayning 6 kuni ularning ovozini anglatish uchun hammaylar Janvadagi namoyishni ko'rishaylik.
Assalomu alaykum Uyg'ur vatandoshlarım, qarindoshlarım. Bugün biz Gollandiyaning Danxaq shahrida namoyish o'tkazayotganmiz. Xitoyninki Zonglisi Likochang degan Xitoy degan bir yerga kelib ekan. Shuningga biz o'zimizniki ovozini anglatyapmiz, qarshi ovozimizni. Inshaalloh 11 ayning 6-sidagi Janvada bo'lgan namoyishga butun Sharqiy Turkistonlik Uyg'ur qarindoshlarimni taklif qilaman. Inshaalloh Janvada ko'rishaylik.
Assalamu alaykum aziz vatandoshlar. Bugun Danxaq parlamenti oldida Tibetlar bilan birlashib Xitoyga qarshi namoyish qilyapmiz. Inshaalloh 11 ayning 6-dagi Janvadagi namoyishda hammamiz shu yerda ko'rishaylik.
Alaykum vatandoshlar, biz bugun Gollandiyada parlamentning oldida Xitoyniki boshlig'i Likochang degan Xitoy biya keldi. Bu Xitoyga qarshi bu yerga namoyishga chiqdi. Oldimizdagi 11 ayning 6-kuni keladigan Janvadagi namoyish qilma şu münasibetle bütün cemaatimizde ve dünyanın hem yerde yaşayotgan vatandaşlarını bu namoyishga teklif qilamiz ve şu namoyishda kurashmak için Allah'a emanet olinglar.
How beautiful it is! The Uyghurs are Muslim, Tibetan are Buddhist, but we still can live together. We are still brother and sister. But how about the Chinese government? No, they are not allowed Muslim, they are not allowed Buddhist, not allowed for our practice. Shame on China! 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 Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Uyghur! Free Uyghur! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Uyghur! Free Uyghur! What we want! Freedom! What we want! Freedom! Dictator China! Dictator China!
For Uyghurs, the people who locked up in concentration camps are forced to learn Communist Party's rules, principles, and forced to praise Communist Party and thank Communist Party. Already more than 3 million people are locked up, and the number is still growing. Our family members, friends, colleagues, classmates in East Turkestan are massively locked up in those camps. The living condition of those camps are so poor that even people are dying there because of the torture and abuse. Some people have got mental problems also because of extra pressure in those camps. The people who is ever traveled to abroad, who ever listen to religious audios, and people who have names that Communist Party doesn't like, and etc. In short, we don't let our people live with an Uyghur identity. In Tibetan, it's also the same situation. Our scholars, PhDs, and writers, film stars, and the people who have extreme ideology, and people who can cause separatism according to the Communist Party are already closed in the concentration camps. Even though we believe that the people who protect and respect humanity in this open world come and stand by us and say stop this crime which Communist Party are committing in 21st century. We also hope Netherlands government can do something for us to close the concentration camps and rescue our relatives. We call China government to obey humanity and international laws and end torture and human rights violation. Thank you for Lord.